Taunton, Castleberry, Westbury, Husey, Hungerford, Newbury, Reading and London Paddington. This train has 9 coaches, first class accommodation, down zone 1 and 2, standard class, zone 3 and 4, zone 3 and 4, zone 1 and 9.
I'm not going on that train at the moment. Yeah, and then next for some days. I'm not staying here for too long today because I want to go film in Totnes before bad weather's coming in. But it's not severe today, it's pretty much got enough showers today, which is quite good. So I'm going to Totnes today. Got another one coming into the Exorcist Islands. I'm not so sure what that is. It's not 158 or 159. Especially a few unusual being pulled by cross country today as well. Some are later in the day around 6 PM. Some supposed to have been early this morning, but I couldn't be near on time. I've seen them once. And then just thought it's still rather wet from yesterday. I'm not ready to go, it's still not yet, but hopefully I'll go over there slowly and do a few hours over there. We're around there about 1:30. Can get a wash. Really long way for you.
Taunton, Bristol Canyon, Bristol Parkway, Cheltenham Spa, Birmingham Street, Tamworth, Dublin, Chesterfield, Sheffield, Wakefield Westgate, Leeds, York, Darlington, Durham, Newcastle, Avenue, Dunbar, and Edinburgh. This train has
We got the 1640 service to London Pennington. Should be able to have, well, we should be able to see another train coming in from the other direction shortly. At least we've only got an hour now before that weird one comes through, but I'm not totally sure what it is. I know it's running by cross country, but I don't know what it is. Nothing going through the other way yet, but it's gone green anyway. So we're still waiting for another one. Hopefully it'll be a castle. It'll be the first time I film in the dark here, so it'll be interesting. I'm going to set up night vision for you when it gets dark enough, but I'm not going to bother till then. You'll see what night vision is like with the trains. But the street lights will come on in about next 10 minutes anyway. So yeah, there's a weird one at 6:20. I'm in two minds to staying there for that long. It's 2 hours, but 2 hours it'll be very dark. And being I'm still getting over this cold, I don't want to make myself feel worse, but we'll see. We'll see how I get on in the next hour. I might head down towards where the shelter is, because it's probably be much warmer under there than it being out in the open. And I'll have to pack away the tripod because this platform's not that wide for tripods really. So I'm going to have to put it away before I head down there. Oh, pardon me. But as you can hear, my voice is starting to dissipate. What is that? Is that a minibus or is that supposed to be someone else? TV. But yeah, I'm gonna hopefully film just till 6:20 and I'll just jump on a train down to Plymouth at that point after that weird one comes through. Because it is rather cold and light's starting to go now, so hopefully it's not too late after the 6:20 because I'm not going to catch it otherwise unless I'm on the train. But the signal's gone green. Gone red both ways, so there won't be anything coming through just now. I think Saturday at the moment, I'm not sure what I'm doing on Saturday as yet, but we'll see how tonight goes. And I'll see how tomorrow goes, really, how my morning starts off. I will be going back to doing my early routine soon. Hopefully I will start doing that again. Hopefully in the next week or so. But Totnes station has gone rather quiet. There's a couple of people here now, but it's not many. There's one on platform 2 and there's one on outside. Platform 1, but it's on the phone. But yeah, it was quite busy when I first got here, but things got quieter and quieter as time's gone on, and being the time of year, it's not going to be massively busy. You know, a little less daylight, and it's going to be a lot cooler atmosphere being the time of year. So a lot of people won't be as interested to come and see the trains as much as they would in the summer. But for next year, my plan is for next year it's going to be just going down the Dawlish whenever I feel like it, not just for the train period, but well, not go down there just for the trains, but it will be just to me to hang out and enjoy myself being at Dawlish and whatnot. I will go to Dawlish during the train specials or when they're activated in the summer, but otherwise I won't be going just for the trains for next year. There will be just when there's specials going on and when I just go down there and have some time to myself, basically. As for tomorrow, I'm hoping to see some trains tomorrow. It depends how I feel tomorrow. Not too sure where I'm going tomorrow if I do go out and get on the trains tomorrow. It's mainly GWR tomorrow and cross country. And there's a cargo activated for tomorrow as well, but I'm not sure what time that comes through tomorrow. But it depends how I go. As for my new models, yes, hopefully I can order them this evening. You never can tell. So I've got down to my last 2 batteries that are in my bag. Just waiting for another train to come through. Hopefully we'll see that weird one coming through. It's running by cross country, but it's going to, I can't remember the name of the place it's going to, but it's going quite a long way round. From Plymouth, coming from Lara, it's coming from Lara to up into York, I think, somewhere. So it's got a long way to go around. It's got 9 carriages, which I don't know if it's a Voyager or it's going to be one of the ex Aviva cross country HST set. I have no idea what it could be, but it could be anything at this point. Noisy tractor. It's just cold. I'm trying to keep myself warm because it's just not that warm. I don't mind cold most of the time, but this time of year it's a little bit tricky to film when it's losing light. I'm going to edit this and come back to you when another train comes in. Okay guys, we've got a German coming in now. Now I'm going to record it while I think on the phone. Like a bin bag or something. But I will record it as he's going now, but I'm not going to show you him, well, the train. Oh, I've got another one. Coming from Plymouth. The one behind me is going to Plymouth. I haven't seen any classes though. This is not the one that's supposed to be coming in until yet, but the weird one's supposed to come in at 6:20. This is only 4 o'clock, so we've got a couple of hours before that weird one comes in. Let him come through and then he's get past him and put him in. 222 is 10. Cross country Avanti, I think it's now. It's quite a good train too. It's sticking out the end of the platform. And we've got a Class 800, I'm not sure what type of Class 800 that one is. It's going to be moving shortly, but just trying to keep myself warm at the moment. It's rather cold here at Totnes now. Sun is on his way setting because it's November and it's getting towards Christmas. so it's going to be a lot less daylight around. So as to head more Christmas Eve next month, in December next month. The last thing I'll do is Christmas Eve video. I'll probably do that next Sunday. It's going to be, hopefully, it might be something unusual as I go through. Maybe we get some classes going through on that day. But that will be my last video for the this year in December. And I'll probably get celebrate in December after that point, December 24th. What the lights are going on? Good. Should I spin around? We might as well, shall we? Because we're taking off now anyway. Spin around. Got a shot of the Javelin and the Voyager. If they take off at the same time, that makes it much more nicer, but got the Javelin first. And something Melbourne. Is that Melbourne too? Was that Melbourne? And we've got going to Edinburgh, assuming that one. Zoom in. But yeah, it's 4:02, so we've got 2 more hours before the weird one comes through. No Javelin today. There's a lot of them around today, it seems. And there's to be more tomorrow. I don't know if I'm going out on train tomorrow or not yet. Just gonna have to wait and see because of the weather. And I'm still getting over this cold, so I'm still trying to be careful. I've got another train with graffiti on it. What are they doing with the trains with graffiti? It's not like they want to keep playing graffiti on the train. So there should be a Cardiff to Penzance one shortly. I'm not entirely sure how far behind it is, and there's another graffiti on that carriage. They're all going towards Exeter though. And when you're coming from Totnes to Plymouth though, it was a bit odd. I'm guessing because of the flooding up countries. And here comes a Javelin again. It's running late, this one. Don't know how late, because obviously my data doesn't work on my new phone yet. It's probably about 25 minutes late for what it should have been. It's sank up a couple of generations. Hopefully going to London Country, it's quite busy. Hopefully we get a castle coming. It's got a name plate on that one. I could catch you in time though. Hopefully we'll get a castle come in. It's rather chilly and I might have to head over the shelter end shortly. Some people wear shorts. Mad people. Not that warm. Past 3 train going to Plymouth, I would assume, going from Edinburgh. Assuming it's going from Edinburgh, going to Plymouth. Not entirely sure. I'm guessing they got sun in their eyes. No, I have to give the front test to them when I go down the Plymouth. Claire will be can't stop here very long, so Plymouth might be the place to give them to them. Stopping on the train, here comes one in now. These are those points that are quite rather tight coming in there. Imagine they're rather very restricted to going down there. It's quite a 3222014 of that's the cross country voyage. Actually the back one as well. I was interested from when I couldn't read someone in time. I was looking at the video for that. Hopefully when another voyager comes in this way, I'll give them one of my thank you gifts for them. Because I was waiting for one coming from Exeter to Plymouth. I'll catch this one going out when it's due to go. One, I think it was at the back, that big ship. Not the real ice cubes, but the real ice cubes in Germany, as I said before. If you want to see them, yes, go to Germany to see them. They're much more nicer looking than the Germans. But they're definitely not as iconic as it's not as iconic or smart as the HSTs are. Yeah, so they're my number one HST sets. Hopefully we'll see a couple more voyages, and hopefully we'll see a couple more, at least one or two more HSTs today. I only saw one going into Exeter, and it was a Cardiff train. I'm not sure that was a Cardiff train, it's just gone, but I'm not sure. It should be one due coming from Plymouth to Cardiff shortly. I'm going to jump off this video and I'll come back to you when another train is due to come through at Totnes. So not too bad we catch the front number, but maybe catch the back one. Hopefully. Yeah. 800-314. That was the back one, so Great Western Railway service on it, but I'm trying by GWR though. We haven't seen at least another couple more castles today, but I've got to be careful how much I used to drive by there actually, because it's staff and people coming off and on the platform. Maybe we'll catch this one going out before I have to coming back in again. I guess it's nice to just catch someone new, and today it's all about someone new for filming. First new train or first new video will go up on Saturday or maybe beginning on Monday, I'm not sure. Should I even new all the money trains this week, hopefully. You can see that weird one this evening if all being well. And look, got another London Paddington one again. From London Paddington to Plymouth, and the other one's going to London Paddington from Plymouth. I wonder what this set is. Ooh. I know it'll be 800, but not quite sure what sort. Clean water. 800. Spin around. 800-01. Just said on the front. Just gonna edit it. There's a bit of graffiti on that one, just on the second front. Oh look, trying to beat you, the train. Tried to graffiti a train again. Literally like, it's just like graffiti trains going. Imagine that was annoying for the staff. Someone keeps on graffiti and everything. I think that's the suitcase here. Tell you what, just pulled up another London Thameslink train. Please, 08. It's quite a big one. The next comes in London Thameslink this one. That is big. London Thameslink. No, from London Thameslink to Plymouth. So your nose sticking out. Yeah, he must have uncoupled at some point from Exeter. Because they have been still having flooding issue up country, so they're not quite clear enough to actually run all the trains coming from places like Birmingham New Street, Edinburgh, Cardiff, and a few other areas around Scotland. They can't run yet because the railway is still flooded from the storm they had. In about 10-15 minutes, you should see either a Cardiff going towards Edinburgh. Cardiff Central, I think the Cardiff Central, this next one's coming from Plymouth. Hopefully that'll be a castle set. And there should be that weird one at 6:20 this evening, and hopefully that could be the 57 I saw on the picture yesterday. I'm hoping. I'm pretty sure it's going to be that one, but we'll see. We know because there'll be 57 at the front and then 430045 I think at the back with the car, so it's possible. I'm not sure until we see it. London Paddington, well, from London Paddington to Plymouth, I think. I apologise the staff member there, but he's there keeping everyone safe, which I can't blame him for. Because you get idiots on the railways, as you always do. I've seen them on my videos. It's easy enough to just try to avoid people if you can in videos, so you're making them that way that you don't try to not introduce their personal space, so to speak, when you're filming. Oh, damn. Missed that one. Never mind. So yeah, next time next cross country service comes in, so I can give them, as I'm saying, as a thank you for buying all the HSTs back in September and for that. But hopefully when I next see one, I'll give it to the staff person who's running the train. I'll give them a HST iPhone 14 Pro phone case if they want it, and I've got some stickers as well, which I might give to staff as well, and GWR when I see them. As well, hand out stickers kind of between here and probably Plymouth anyway for them. But for the phone case would be for cross country. I think they've done a lot for these HSTs and this year and quite a few years before. So hopefully we'll give them phone cases my picture and saying thank you for them. Because I have to wait for the next one to come in. But yeah, I'm officially going back to YouTube properly from next week. I'm not really giving it much time to really just think about what is going to be the day I start. Probably going to be on Monday, so I think you'll see this video on probably Monday or either Saturday night. I'm not sure. It might go up on Saturday night. I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, I'm definitely coming back. I'll probably have breaks a little bit after when I need to. I am buying some new trains, hopefully today. Sadly, I couldn't able to do it last night because reasons. But yeah, we're waiting for a service coming from Plymouth to Exeter next, and then probably about half an hour after that we got should be a one coming from Exeter St David's down to Plymouth. After that should be either be a castle set, hopefully, because there's a few castles on the run today. I'm not totally sure that HST is related. Or they're going to be Javas. And yes, as for the cargoes, there is a weird one coming through at 6:20, I think. As it's really dark at that point, I think it's around twilight level. But I don't know what it could be. It could be the bad event changes to putting, or it could be the 57 tailing the castle set. And there was a talk about that yesterday when I checked. So yeah, there's a bundle of weird ones coming through, but sadly I missed most of them this morning because I wasn't here on time. But yeah, there's quite a few different variety of things different trains coming through today. Some cross country GWR, some castles, and a weird one at 6:20 this evening, which I will be here for that one, I hope. It's a really nice catch on camera, even it's dark. At least on the traffic near lamps anyway, which means it's easier to catch the train near the lights, because this camera does have a light on it, but it probably will blind the driver, so I don't really want to use it. We've got the London Panther. As it comes back, as it coming in. I'm going to move around because we have got a London Panther. We got a Voyager. Going to Plymouth. It's running rather late, this one. And it's going to Exeter. A nice sunny day, Friday day. Third. Nice sunny Friday at Totnes. Got quite a number of tracks here actually. You got more than six lines there. Because once upon a time there was a 6-line going off to the Heritage line at one time before they changed it. And the old signs there, I don't know. I might send you a picture of this with my phone when I get back. But there's an old sign there on the sign over there which marks 24 miles or something, or line 247 miles of track. I think there's an old sign to how the length of the track is between here and from Plymouth to Exeter. I think that's what it means, but I'm not sure. It's a really old sign. Signs are made out of wood these days. They wouldn't last more than a couple of months. And North Rex to St David's. Around about 10 minutes later, I think that one. We should have one coming from Exeter to St David's down to here next. Not we're going to see it yet. A little early. But hopefully we'll catch that weird one this evening. Quite nice with the sun out actually. It's quite a lot warmer. But I'll do another jump and I'll see when the next train is going to come in. It will be on my side of the platform this time. Should be in the next 15 minutes. Hopefully we'll see it fast all the way to come through today, hopefully. So far I haven't seen anything like that yet. Well, I've seen one extra today, which is interesting. I will use my phone again for sending the festival. Quality seems to be rather good, so I'm going to have to use it again when the festival comes through again. At the moment, I won't bother. Not until I see another special. I haven't got anything coming my way yet, but it's going to be a little while, I think, for the next one to come through. And, I think there's a fast moving one coming through. I can't remember what time, but there's one at 6 something. I know that. The first one on the phone about, I sadly couldn't read that one because obviously for certain reasons issues I could not make that one. So yeah, I'm gonna have to use that. Can you see the move? Yes. The battery's going to choose change, but I'm going to change it shortly anyway. So we've gone to a little bit drizzly rain to sunshine at Totnes station today. And it's not the normal spot of Totnes or the Heritage line, but it's at the main line today. Smoke coming from the side of it. It's coming out of the wall. So there goes the one going to Exeter St David's to London Pennington. Oh, 137 service up to Plymouth. From Leeds, I think. Don't know where the other one's coming from. I know it's coming from Plymouth, but I don't know what set it's going to be. I hope you'll be back on one of those later to Plymouth, my last destination for the day, but that would be quite a few hours. But yeah, hopefully we'll see that weird one come through at 6 something this evening before I head back. Hey, we've got a cross-country service to Plymouth. I thought the other one will come first, but and by the way, I'm at Totnes. As I said, I was going to at some point, but I'm here today. Coming back to doing YouTube. I'll stop recording because people are getting off and people are getting on. Maybe we'll see that other one coming through from that way shortly. Supposedly a couple of weird ones coming through this afternoon around 6, so I'm not sure I'm going to catch those, but see on the time when they come through. They're going from Plymouth to up to Leeds apparently, so it'll be interesting, but we'll see.
Edinburgh via Bristol Totnes. This is the service from Plymouth.
Warren, Dawlish, Timber, Newton Abbott, Torquay, and Leighton. This train has 4 coaches.
From the 12:27 cross-country service to Edinburgh via Bristol Totnes. Skipperton Parkway, Totnes.
Otherwise, you've taken out some Plymouth. too. Here's the giveaways when I go to Totnes today. Got a phone case, there's stickers, if you want them.
B for the 11:54 Great Western Railway service to London Central via Bristol Totnes, Totnes, Bridgewater, Gatwick, and London Central. This train has 4 coaches. Platform 5B from the 11:54 Great Western Railway service to London Central via Bristol Temple Meads.
6 minutes. This is due to this train being late on the depot. Platform 4B for the 11:25 Great Western Railway service to Plymouth. Calling at Dormany, Timber, Newton Abbot,
The next train to arrive at platform 5B will be the 11:54 Great Western Railway service to London Central via Bristol Temple Meads. This is the service from Plymouth. Platform 5B for the 11:54 Great Western Railway service to London Central via Bristol Temple Meads. For the Taunton, Bridgewater, Highbridge and Birmingham, Western Sinclair, World, Yatton, Nailsea and Backwell, Bristol Temple Meads, Hilton Abbey Wood, Catchway, Seven Tunnel Junction, Newport, and London Central. This train has 4 coaches.
There's going in one direction for me anyway, so then it was Totnes and I'll send out you guys now. I got mine 7 new phones, so I'm going to try it out with Totnes.
Timber, Newton Abbot, Totnes, Bridge, and Plymouth. This train has 5 coaches. Platform 4B for the 11:25 Great Western Railway service to Plymouth.
There we go. The London Paddington going to Plymouth again. So sure. Oh, that's cool. It's still gone again. I haven't seen the rainbow one since a couple of weeks ago, but I don't think that one will be out yet anyway, because it's only been recent since that one came through. It's rather cold, but I'm going to do the special video for you. With this weird one's come through at 6:20 this evening. I wouldn't do this too often when it's this time of year, but I thought with this weird one coming through, I might as well try it and see what happens. This one's going to Plymouth. It's terminating at Plymouth at the moment. My legs are stiffened up, but it's not so bad now, as you can see on the side. 222-0-9. Back to Plymouth. I think this is late running because company service radio. That one had nameplate on it. I didn't catch that, but it did have a nameplate on the side of it. That's interesting. I saw that many nights, but I didn't catch it on camera, sadly. But it did have a nameplate on the side of it, which is quite interesting. I'm interested what the weird one is at 6:20 this evening, though. That would be my last train I'm filming tonight, though, because I'm rather cold and I don't want to get myself with hypothermia. But yeah, Totnes has got rather busy again. At least I'm standing near a street light. Means that when the light does fully go, means I am near an area which it will be light up, so hopefully we'll see that weird one coming from Plymouth going up to York or something it was going to. There goes the London Paddington train. There's as much tempting it is to go on the train right now to head back to Plymouth, but I'm going to be waiting for that weird one to come through at 6:20. Even my hands might tell me otherwise. It's rather chilly though. I'm going to leave it, and I got a castle as well. You might see the red light because it is twilighty out here now. Nowden Castle. Oh, there's a Necton. I think that one was Necton in the back. 33082, I think.
I love that you might have 11 cars.